Welcome back to another tutorial for LivePeer.com. In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to find your reward points on your account. Today, I'll be showing you how to redeem those reward points while you're shopping on LivePeer.com. First, make sure that you're logged into your account. Click Shop. And I've already added some products to my cart, but I'm going to add a couple more just for fun. When you're done shopping, click Shopping Cart. Now you're on the shopping cart page that lists all the products in your cart. If everything looks good, hit Proceed to Checkout. On the shipping details page, you can input your shipping address and select your shipping method. On the last page of checkout, you have a discount section. In the discount section, there's a rewards point radio button that you can toggle. Under reward points, it displays your current reward points available and the dollar value. You have the option to use partial reward points up to the amount that you have available on your account. For now, we'll just use 50. And as you can see, you can't combine reward points with any discounted products. We don't have any discounted products in our order, so it successfully applied reward points to our order and discounted that dollar amount. Now we'll try using all of our reward points and see what that looks like. Now under order total, all of my available reward points have applied to this order, and it also shows the discount. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.